Hi, I'm Katie and this is AFI's DIYs. Whether you're new to this series or you've been a longtime fan, we're so glad you're joining us for this video. Did you know that most commercial body washes contain 75 to 90% water? The product that we're showing you today is fun and simple without all the extra water. Sparkling powder body wash. This powder produces luscious foam and has citric acid and sodium bicarbonate for a fizzing and gentle exfoliation. Let's take a look at the recipe. For supplies, you will need a mixing container, strainer, spatula, whisk, tightly sealable packaging containers. To make about 8 ounces of the finished product, you will need 33.7% or 5.39 ounces of rice or arrowroot starch, 9% or 1.44 ounces of sodium lauryl sulfate, 28% or 4.48 ounces of sodium lauryl sulfonyl acetate, 18% or 2.88 ounces of citric acid, 9% or 1.44 ounces of sodium bicarbonate, 0.3% or 0.05 ounces of fragrance oil, 2% or 0.32 ounces of biodegradable eco glitter. Because this product is used as a body wash, it's important to make sure we're using skin-safe ingredients, including fragrance. Here at AFI, we have an expansive library of skin-safe fragrances for all your bath and beauty needs. With that in mind, I picked Lemon Drop. This will go great with the sparkling nature of our formula. Now we've got our fragrance picked out, let's jump right into the making of this project. It's super quick and simple. Now that we have our safety gear on, we're ready to go ahead and get started. In your mixing container, combine the rice or arrowroot starch, sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium lauryl sulfoacetate, citric acid, and sodium bicarbonate one by one. Use a strainer and spatula to sift the ingredients and eliminate clumps. Sprinkle in the eco glitter and mix all the ingredients. Stir well, alternating between a whisk and a spatula to fully combine everything. Once thoroughly combined, slowly add in the fragrance oil, stirring as you go. When the fragrance is fully incorporated into the mixture, your powdered body wash is done. All that's left is to package into a tightly sealable container. This is most easily done by using a spatula to scoop the powder bit by bit. Now your sparkly powdered body wash is ready to be used. Simply scoop some into your hand, add a little water, and lather. Make sure to keep this product out of direct humidity and sealed in its container for max effectiveness. This body wash can double as a shampoo, making it a great 2-in-1 product to add to your line. It costs us about $2 to make, meaning it can be sold wholesale for $4 to $6 and retail for $8 to $10. Check out how to make an awesome bubble bath to pair with this powder in your line in our DIY playlist. This has been yet another super easy and fun DIY brought to you by AFI. If you want more projects like this, let us know in the comments and hit the thumbs up button. We're always happy to bring y'all more content to help your brand. I'm Katie and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!